Have you ever wondered if birds, like chickens, can really get sucked into a jet engine? Well, they can, and it's more common than you think. This is called a bird strike. Jet engines suck in tons of air to operate, and if a bird flies too close, it can be ingested into the engine. Small birds usually cause minor damage, but larger birds, like geese, can seriously harm an engine. That's why airports have bird radars, fences, and even train birds of prey to keep runways safe. Safety is taken very seriously because even one bird strike can be dangerous. Remember the 2009 U.S. Airways Flight 1549? Geese struck both engines, forcing the plane to land on the Hudson River. Thanks to engineering, the plane survived and everyone was safe. So yes, birds, including chickens, can end up in engines, but modern jets are built to handle it. Aircraft technology keeps us safe, even when nature gets in the way.